In this installation video, we will explain the function of the FHT-I sensor, mention recommended tools, and demonstrate the correct installation process. The FHT-I sensor is primarily designed for fast detection of flooding in the interior of the home. Its flood detection cable is placed under appliances such as the washing machine, dryer, or dishwasher. To make sure the installation process goes without a hitch, we remind you of the contents of the package you have received. FHT-I sensor, a flood detection cable with a jack connector, cable with a black connector, a white sensor enclosure, and a reduction with a white cable. Unlike the MHT, HT, and FHT-C sensors, which can be installed in one visit, the FHT-I installation is divided into two phases that follow the construction phases. The first step in installing any sensor is to familiarize yourself with the supplied floor plan and appointed sensor placements. The floor plan includes a drawing of the sensors to an accuracy of approximately 1 meter. The choice of the exact installation location needs to be carefully considered in correspondence with the actual situation on the construction site. The installation is still in the construction phase of the building. At this stage, it is only sensor cabling prep that is done in the way the power cable with the black connector is pulled from the sensor location to the central switchboard location. The black connector must be stretched from the wall to the junction box at the future sensor location, similar to the preparation for the electrical sockets. Both the height from the ground and the design is very similar to the sockets. The only difference is the type of cable. The actual installation of the sensors comes when the interiors are finished and at a similar time to when the electrical outlets are completed. Connect the cable with the black connector to the sensor and insert it into the white sensor enclosure. Coil the excess cable into the junction box and close it with a cover. If necessary, cut a hole in it for the cord. Attach the sensor horizontally to the wall with double-sided tape next to the junction box and connect the floor detection cable, which you spread loosely on the floor under the appliance to be monitored. Run the cables from all sensors to the electrical panel or future location and bundle them neatly together, separating them by color. After installing all sensors, be sure to test them.